How to find the friends you deleted on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can find the friends that you've deleted on Facebook. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to find the friends that you have deleted on Facebook, you can simply open up your Facebook app, tap on the profile icon from the top left, tap on the three dots icon here, then simply go to Activity Log. Under Activity Log, you can see various options. You can go to Connections and you can see these options here. Now we can also go to this activity history if we want to. And we can choose to filter them accordingly to the Remove Friends. So if I go to this Filters tab, you can see Categories. I'll just go to Categories and I'll simply, let's say, go to this Connections. So go to Connections, go to Friends after that and select Removed Friends. And when you do that, you will see a list of persons like how you've removed them. So this way you can find the friends that you deleted on Facebook. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.